Welcome to our comparison video, where we will dive into the features and specifications of two popular portable washing machines, the Comfee Portable Washing Machine and the Zenu Portable Washing Machine. We will explore how they stack up against each other in terms of capacity, operation type, and overall value for your laundry needs. Let's find out which one wins. When it comes to capacity, the Comfee Portable Washing Machine offers a larger capacity of 0.9 cubic feet, making it suitable for general laundry needs. In contrast, the Zenu Portable Washing Machine has a capacity of 13 liters, which is ideal for smaller loads such as baby clothes and delicates. If you often wash larger items or multiple pieces at once, the Comfee may be the better option for you. The Comfee Portable Washing Machine is a full automatic washer, which means it requires minimal user intervention. You simply load your clothes, select the wash cycle, and let it do the work. On the other hand, the Zenu Portable Washing Machine is semi-automatic, requiring manual intervention for draining and filling water. This may be a consideration for those who prefer a more hands-off approach to laundry. Price is another significant factor to consider. The Comfee Portable Washing Machine is priced at $249, reflecting its advanced features and larger capacity. In contrast, the Zenu Portable Washing Machine is much more affordable at $57, making it a great option for budget-conscious consumers or those who only need a washer for small items. Your choice will depend on your budget and laundry needs. In conclusion, the Comfee Portable Washing Machine is an excellent choice for those seeking a full automatic, feature-rich washer with a larger capacity. However, if you're looking for a compact, affordable option for small loads, the Zenu Portable Washing Machine may be the better fit. We hope this comparison has helped you in your decision-making process. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.